Hello, children. Today I will tell you a powerful and exciting story of a tiny bird who dared to fight a raging fire deep inside a vast green jungle where tall trees touched the sky and animals lived happily together. Everything was peaceful, calm, and full of life. But one hot afternoon, something terrible happened. A spark from a dry branch turned into a flame, and that flame began to grow. Within minutes, the fire spread wildly through the forest. Trees started burning. Smoke filled the air. Animals began to panic. "Run! Run!" shouted the deer. "The forest is on fire!" cried the monkeys, lions, elephants, rabbits. Everyone started running to save their lives. The jungle that was once full of joy was now full of fear. But high up in the sky, a tiny bird named Chinu saw everything. Her little heart started beating fast. "My home, my forest," she whispered. She looked at the huge fire and then at the fleeing animals. For a moment, she felt scared, very scared. But then, she took a deep breath. "No, I cannot just run away." She quickly flew to the nearby river. She dipped her tiny beak into the water, picked up a single drop, and flew back. Over the raging fire, she dropped that one drop of water. Shh! It made almost no difference. The fire kept burning. Again, she flew back. Another drop. Again and again. From above, an elephant saw her. "What are you doing?" he shouted. "You're too small. You can't stop this fire." Chinu didn't stop. "I know I'm small, but I'm doing my part," she replied. The elephant shook his head and walked away. But Chinu kept going. Back to the river, back to the fire, drop by drop, flight after flight. Her wings grew tired. Her body felt weak. Smoke filled her lungs. But still, she didn't stop. "I will not leave my home to burn," she said with determination. Soon, a monkey noticed her. Then a rabbit, then a deer. They all stopped running and watched the tiny bird. "So small, yet so brave," the monkey said softly. "If she can try, why can't we?" The rabbit nodded. "Yes, we should help too." Slowly, one by one, the animals turned back. The elephant returned. This time, he didn't laugh. He walked to the river, filled his trunk with water, and sprayed it over the fire. Whoosh! More animals joined. Birds carried drops. Elephants carried water. Deer stamped the flames. Together, they fought. The fire roared, but the jungle roared louder. And finally, after a long struggle, the flames began to die down. The smoke cleared. The fire was gone. The forest was saved. All the animals stood silently, breathing heavily. Then slowly, they turned toward Chinu. The tiny bird sat on a branch, exhausted, but smiling. The elephant stepped forward. "You were right," he said gently. "You may be small, but your courage is bigger than all of us." The animals cheered, and from that day on, no one in the jungle ever thought they were too small to make a difference. So, children, remember this. It doesn't matter how small you are. What matters is the courage to try, because even the smallest drop can help stop the biggest fire. Thank you for listening.